5 seconds to go. Transgender are individuals having a gender identity or gender expression different from their gender assigned at birth. Gender identity refers to a person's internal sense of being male, female, or something else. Gender expression refers to the way a person communicates gender identity to others through behavior, clothing, hairstyle, voice, or body characteristics. When a baby is born, a doctor, parent, or birth attendant announces the arrival of a girl or boy. That second dictates multiple aspects of our lives. It is also something that most of us never question, but some people's gender evolve differently and might not fit rigid traditional notions of female or male. Transgender people have existed in every culture, race, and class since the story of human life has been recorded. Therefore, we can say that transgender people are no strangers to society. The concept of not feeling comfortable in one's birth assigned gender has been around from early time. The contemporary term transgender arose in the mid 1990s from the grassroots community of gender different people. Transgender people have been discriminated for a long period of time. They are still looked upon as people of an alien like nature, as if they are some non human species. Discrimination is their major problem, because of which they face many other problems like unemployment, lack of educational facilities, homelessness, lack of medical facilities like HIV care and hygiene, depression, hormone pill abuse, tobacco and alcohol abuse, penectomy, and problems related to marriage and adoption. In India, there are a host of socio-culture groups of transgender people like Hijraj, Kinnars, and other transgender identities like Shiv Shaktis, Jogtas, Jogappas, Aradhis, Shakti, etc. And there are many more. The Constitution of India provides for the fundamental rights to equality and tolerates no discrimination on the grounds of sex, caste, creed, or religion. The Constitution also guarantees political rights and other benefits to every citizen. But the third community continues to be excluded. Stop.